Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Welcome back to another hair review. Thank you to ISEE Hair for sponsoring this video. I'm so excited because this is a different type of wig. Okay, we are definitely gonna get into it, and let's go in the box and see what's inside. So the wig came secure. So we have wig cap, got an edge band, adjustable band. Now the wig is inside, and we're gonna take out this wig just to see how it is. It's a half wig, guys. I'm so excited to try this. I know my hair color is not, but we're gonna make it work. Okay, we definitely gonna make this work. So it smells so good. Ooh, what? It's 18 inches, of course, and it's like a kinky curly texture. I love this. I'm gonna show you guys how we are gonna finesse the curls, and it's gonna be so cute. Okay, so trying to take this off. Already have a adjustable band and the drawstring at the back. Spectacular. Look at that. This is how you work the drawstring. You pull it up, and there you go. Then you tuck underneath, so you have that seamless look. We also have a comb at the back, and we have one at the top and two at the side, and of course a band, breathable cap. I love that they do the flip over on the wig. So look at that. So once you put this on, you will not see any hair, no weft, no nothing. So we're gonna prep my hair and we're gonna come back, so stay tuned. Make sure you guys like the video. If you're here this far, it's something new. I know my hair color is a bit different. I have brownish hair, but we are gonna make it work.
Yeah, we gon' be alright. It's that good news. Don't worry about me. Jesus got me. I stay winning. Say I stay winning. That's a fight.
Yeah, I need a sip from the river. Just wanna get what you giving. Give me unlimited vision and see through the counterfeit. I want the realest. Where he come from, you can't get that with a PJ. You so full inside this house, I feel like DJ. Can't fight and let your light come shine on me. Ain't no hiding, I'm confiding in your peace. Carrying buckets of shame. Father, I'm saying your name, but so far from it. Can't see the blood in my veins. For me, he bleeding the same. Take this covenant. This is the greatest exchange. At his altar, there's a flame that burns your rubbish. Gave me a cup full of rain. He poured it over every stain until he coming. Glory to the Father. You deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar. Wash away my shame. Glory to the Father. You deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar. Wash away my shame.
guys, this is the final look. OMG, ISEE Hair, you did that. This is a halfway and we can take this off, okay? I love it. I love the flow of it. Even though my hair color is on the brown side, listen, it worked. And I did nothing to it. It's a half wig. All I did was make some baby hair, fix the wig, kind of finesse the sides, give it a razor cut, and that is it. Okay, the curls are amazing. I don't know what else to say, but I love it. Like, it's summertime, you can take your hair off, you can take your wig off. It's summertime, you're gonna be hot, and then it's just giving a different vibe. Absolutely love it. So this is the final look. It is secure on my head, and don't just think you have to have natural, your hair has to be naturally curly. No, because mine isn't. Okay, and you see that it looks so good. I love the flow of the wig. So thank you to ISEE Hair for sending this beautiful wig and sponsoring today's video. I do have a coupon code for you guys where you will save, so make sure you check the description box. All the links will be there, the direct link to the hair and their website. And let me tell you, ISEE Hair always come through. They got good hair, okay? So make sure you check it out. This is a good hairstyle. I'm definitely gonna try this on Jenny. I think I want to try this style on her because her hair is naturally curly. So this is the final look. Tell me what you think, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe. Bye. Oh, hold on.
Love like a mountain that cannot be moved. Just as an eagle, I found freedom in you, a peace which brings me through.